What is up, you guys? I am back with another video. Y'all know I couldn't stay away from y'all too long, okay? Like, I had to get my hands on some monomer. My husband, he helped me get my monomer because he know this is what I love to do. Like, I love to do nails, you know? This is just my outlet. But anyway, we're gonna use some nail forms. I've been wanting to do nail forms for like forever because this is my second time doing nail forms, like for real, because when I first got my nail kit, I had some nail forms in there, and there was nail forms like these. So let me tell y'all. So yesterday I tried to do, the day before yesterday, I tried to do a set. I had purchased some nail forms when I went to my local nail supply store, and I got these long nail forms. So you're able to sculpt like longer nails, and I messed up a whole set, and I was like, oh no, I'm not putting that video up. This is trash. So I only have 4 forms left, and this is like an old form that I had, so I was able to do like my 5 nails so I can sculpt, because I was gonna put like a nail tip on there, but I was like, I found that one, so I was like, okay, we're gonna do a full set of forms. And yeah, so I just try to show this video slowly so you can kind of see what's going on in this video. But I think I'm only going to show the thumb and my pointer finger, I think, and then move forward to doing the nail, because I didn't want to spend too much time showing y'all how to put these on, because I'm learning myself. Putting nail forms on is kind of difficult, but I mean, if you make sure there's no gap and you try to make sure it's straight, so when you build your nail, it's straight, because that thumb, one of these fingers ended up crooked, but I buffed it and it ended up looking really good. It came out better than I thought, because I thought I was gonna have a hard time. But this nail form, like this Amazon nail form that I had got with my Morven kit, the adhesive on it doesn't stick that well, so it's kind of slipping. But these ones that I got from my local nail supply, these fit really, like, they fit nice. And the adhesive on that, honey, it was stuck to my hands, okay? When I mean the sticky stuff was still stuck to my fingers after I took the nail forms off, like I literally had to wash my hands and scrub the sticky stuff off. So these stick really good. So once they're on, they're good. So yeah, I did have a difficult time with these, but like I said, I do want to learn how to do nail forms, and I'm glad I purchased these nail forms before I decided to get to the Valentino nail forms, because the Valentino nail forms are a little bit more pricey. So I just got like a set of what was it, 12 or 10? I think it was like 12 nail forms for like 99 cents. I just wanted to try it out, and like y'all know, I love my Valentino covered powders, and I would like to get some more Valentino covered powders, but for right now, this is what I got. I think this is, what is this, Perfect Nude. I'm going in with Perfect Nude. I love that color. Y'all know I love this color. Between Bad and Bougie and Perfect Nude, love, my favorite. And I tried to cut out bits and pieces that I got, like I wasn't able to capture, so sorry about that, you guys. So yeah. Okay, so right here I do go in with a drier bead. Like, it's not as dry, but it's still dry enough to form the nail so it won't be slipping everywhere. So if y'all want me to do like a in-depth video of my application, because like I said, I only showed like a little bit because I wasn't in the frame, so it's kind of hard to show y'all the whole thing. So whatever I could capture, like I said, I put it in this video. Excuse my table, like I know it looks so horrible, because I had this stick, like it was a sticker, like a adhesive white sheet paper. I really don't know what this is. I think this is I want to say this is vinyl, and because my husband had a Cricut, because he would do like clothing and stuff like that. With a Cricut, he would make clothing. So we had like a bunch of Cricut design, like cardstock. There we go. We had cardstock. We had vinyl, all that good stuff. So I said, oh, okay, I have a brown table. So I was like, this would be nice in the background. A white vinyl on there would be nice. and then y'all could see stuff better with the vinyl on here. So I tried to put the vinyl on here, and I had got so many bubbles on here, like but yeah, so anyway, that's that. My table look raggedy. Please don't talk about me. I know it look raggedy, but I was like, I still gotta get these videos out. I want to give y'all some good quality videos, but I know my table's looking a little raggedy. Don't pay that no attention. I do want to get a new table. I've been looking on Amazon, so I get like a actual nail table, because like I said, I have this little brown table. And anyways, let's get back to this application. So I did 3 beads on here, or maybe 4. Just use however many beads you need to use. If you need to go in small beads to build your nail, do that, because a 1 bead method, yeah, that's great, but not for me. It doesn't work for me. So you got to do what works for you. So I did like possibly 4 beads here to build the structure of my nail. Also, what else do I have to say? But yeah, I used like 3 or 4 beads. And yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all watch the video, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay, so this is the final product, and they actually came out all right. You know what I'm saying? Got my little coffin nail. And so that tapping noise is the sound you want to hear when you're doing your nails. You want to make sure they're dry. So that's the sound that you're supposed to hear. If they sound like muffled or whatever, that means they're still still drying. But they're dry, so I'm going to take off these nail forms. And yeah, and I don't think I asked y'all, how are y'all doing? Like, what are y'all doing? What are y'all plans for the summer? Like, spring break? I don't even know if spring break passed or not. But anyway, like, do y'all have any trips planned? Like, what y'all got planned? Like, what's going on? What's going on? Comment down below. Let me know what's going on. Hey guys, so I do want to mention that this channel is not going to be strictly a nail channel, like nail content, because I like to do other stuff. Like I like to do hair content. So if you see videos that's not nail content, don't be upset. Like, if you just looking strictly for nails, like, this is not the channel for you. Like, I want to do everything, like whether it's wigs, braid tutorials, like all that stuff, because I'm like a really talented person, so I like to learn how to do everything. And so my page is definitely gonna be a variety of different things. So right here, I'm just going in with my Morvin liner, and I'm also using the Roslyn gel black polish, because the Morvin polish did run out, so I did use the liner, but used the Roslyn polish to finish my black Frenchie, well, French nail, because that's what we're doing. We're doing a black French nail. Yay, because I don't know, something about black French nails are just so sexy. I love them. Like, they just look so good. Like, French nails in general are just so classic. But yeah, we're gonna do the black Frenchie, and we're gonna also do hearts, and we're gonna do like I forgot what method you call it, but it's like a neon, I guess they look like neon signs, like you go in with a jelly color, or if you don't have a jelly color, you can always mix your top coat with the color, whatever color you want to use to make that jelly color, and then you go over it with white. But if you stay tuned, you'll see how to do that part. But yeah, so I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna play some music, and I look forward to talking with you guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you tried this design before, if you would try it. And I will talk to you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away.
think about you. When I think about you, boy, I got what you need, so come share my world.
Also, forgot to mention I got a new top coat, period. Yes. And I actually like this top coat. It's really pretty and it dry. Oh my god, the shine on this is amazing. And guess how much I paid? $10, period. I think it's cheaper on Amazon, is it? I think it's like $9.99. Anyway, it's like around $10. And I got this from my local beauty supply, nail supply store when I picked up the nail forms and stuff. And also, what I wanted to say about this top coat is that it's thinner than the other top coat. Y'all know I was working with Two Guys gloss, Supreme gloss, and that was a super thick consistency. So when I put this one on, I kind of put way entirely too much, so it like bled into my cuticle area, and I didn't catch it in time. So anyway, just know that they have two different consistencies. Like the other one was super thick, so it's like I had to like apply a lot, and then with this one it's it goes on so thin that you just need a light coat of it. But anyway, like I said, talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.
You should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend.